What's up, everyone? Today we will unbox the Tecno Pova Neo 3. So what we have here is the Mecha Black version. We have the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So this phone has 7000 milliamp battery, an IPS LCD display that runs 90Hz refresh rate. We also have the Helio G85 processor. Okay. So apparently the resolution of this screen is 720p. Rear camera is 16 megapixels, dual flash, and the front camera is 8 megapixels. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Notice there's a sticker there. Oh. Well, the box is nice compared to the other Tecno box. This one blends with the blue and gray color. So I like this box better. Now we have the phone. What we have here. Okay. Oh, so there is a gift code. Maybe this is a free skin. So we have your standard 12 plus 1 month's warranty. We have this whatever paper. Well, as usual, they provide a condom case, a sticker. So, okay, sticker. We have the power brick. The SIM ejector tool. We have the iPod earphone, which is copycat. And we have the charging cable. Over there, we have the charging cable. Let's just put this in the box. Now let's take a look at the phone. That's a beautiful design. So what we have here is the Mecha Black. So let's see. We have the side fingerprint scanner. Your typical SIM cards tray, bottom speaker. Actually, this one is also a speaker here. So we have the top and bottom speaker. So we have dual speaker here. Let's go ahead and set up the phone. ish. Keep. That was actually surprising. That was a quick setup. Normally it takes a while to set up a Tecno phone. So just brightness there. Smooth. It is what you could expect of smooth phone because it has a Helio G85. Today's spotlight is on the UVD G3 Max, smartphone that I've been eagerly anticipating for quite some time. If you're not familiar, UVDG is a prominent Chinese smartphone Huh? Today's spotlight is on the UVDG G3 Max, smartphone that I've been eagerly anticipating for quite some time. If you're not familiar, so the transition is a little bit slow. So yeah. It's a little bit slow. Well, sorry about the dog barking, so that's annoying, but anyway. Very smooth. We're gonna scroll. Oh. Go on typical settings, let's check. Brightness level, we've got that. Screen timeout size, I always wanted the smallest one, so that's what I prefer. Now let's take a look at familiar settings here. So we have the 16 megapixel dual camera. Check the call this split screen feature. Okay, so let's use this. split screen is you have to do this, click this, see it on the sidebar, and now you have to open a new app. So it's not optimized. Okay. It is split screen. Let's take a look on the camera. Running a cam. We have here. We have the film. Most Tecno phones, Infinix has it as well. So super nice shots. If you swipe it up, you get your other camera features. Scan documents. Scan documents. Shots and whatnot. Yep. So it shots 1080p and also 2K, but I don't see any noticeable difference. That's noticeable. 720p. Let's try browsing. Okay, let's just Tecno Pova. This is a 90 Hz refresh rate, by the way. So I forgot to check the display earlier. Refresh rate. So I always wanted to utilize the maximum refresh rate that you could get from your phone. And some other worry about draining the battery because you're using that at 100%. But you have a 5000 milliamp battery, so why you don't need to worry about it. Even if you run that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for 90 Hz refresh rate. That's the 5000 milliamp battery is more than capable of handling this running for a day or more than a day, depending on your usage anyway. Browse Tecno's website. They are the Tecno Pova 5. So that's on their main page right now. So they're pushing more over the Tecno Pova 5, but somehow doesn't care about the Tecno Pova Neo. Browsing is good, so processor just takes a while to handle the images to fully load it into the browser, but it's okay. I don't mind. So we have your typical crapware here. So I don't know why they put this, but I never used that. We also have game space for the gamers. So currently we don't have any app for gaming. So we'll be testing this phone soon, and I'll be uploading the full review by next week. So we have just the basic ones. Graphic enhancement, classic, colorful, soft. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. Alright, so that's it. This is just a unboxing and hands-on experience, so not really a review, but it's nice. It's really nice gaming phone, so at least they are paying attention now with the designs. A lot of manufacturers not really paying attention with the design, and Tecno Pova did, or the Tecno rather mobile did great so on the design. I wish though there's like LED in this, not everything, but at least this part. See, if you can see this part, there's a grill here. I could have put like an LED here for your probably battery notification if it's running low, or message notifications or whatnot. That would be a nice addition. So, but let's just take the fingerprints, see how fast it will respond. Yep, it's quite good. I cannot complain. Fingerprint is good. Yeah, so anyway guys, that's it. Thank you for watching the unboxing and hands-on experience about this Tecno Pova Neo 3. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so just hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified once the full review of this Tecno Pova Neo 3 review comes out next week. So thank you for your time guys, and you have a good day.